we at the program here, we hosted a 2-day stakeholder engagement workshop to validate the selection of key projects that are presently undergoing pre-feasibility studies. Now, one such project is we're looking at a pre-feasibility study on building a new green hydrogen plant. The study will really investigate building, of course, a green hydrogen plant to produce hydrogen and ammonia and its derivatives for local and international markets. And the pre-feasibility study will identify optimal locations within the SCDI area in Kara's region, which is the Southern Corridor Development Initiative, but it will exclude the development of this green hydrogen plant in the national park. So the aim is really to see where else in the country, in the south, of course, because of given the resources, the wind and solar resources in the south, where else in the country can we then set up a green hydrogen plant, excluding, of course, the national park.